प्राइम न्यूज़ वॉच में नाज़रीन एक बार फिर आपको खुशामदीद कहते हैं। इस वक्त पंजाब के नए गवर्नर सरदार लतीफ़ खोसा की हलफ बर्दारी की तकरीब शुरू हो गई है। आइए आपको ये तकरीब दिखाते हैं।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। इन्नल्लाहा यअमुरुकुम अन तुअद्दुल अमानाति इला अहलिहा وَإِذَا حَكَمْتُمْ بَيْنَ النَّاسِ أَن تَحْكُمُوا بِالْعَدْلِ إِنَّ اللَّهَ نِعِمَّا يَعِظُكُم إن الله كان سميعا بصيرا صدق الله العظيम। अल्लाह खालिक व मालिक का इरशाद है, बेशक अल्लाह ताला तुम्हें हुक्म देता है कि तुम अमानत वालों के सपुर्द कर दो और लोगों के दरमियान जब भी फैसला करो तो अदल व इंसाफ से किया करो। बेशक अल्लाह ताला तुम्हें कितनी अच्छी नसीहत फरमाता है और यकीनन अल्लाह रब्बुल इज़्ज़त खूब सुनने वाला और देखने वाला है। व आखिर दावाना अनिल हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन।
Commission of Appointment to Sardar Muhammad Lateef Khan Khosa. Greetings. I do by this commission appoint you, the said Sardar Muhammad Lateef Khan Khosa to be, during my pleasure, Governor of the Province of the Punjab, with all the powers, rights, privileges, and advantages to the said office of governor belonging or appertaining. And I do hereby authorize, empower, and require you to exercise and perform all and singular the powers and duties appertaining to the said office. And I do hereby further direct that before assuming the said office, you shall make an oath before the Chief Justice of the High Court of the Province of the Punjab in the form hereto appended before you shall have entered upon your office as governor. And I do hereby further direct that this commission shall be read and published before you have made the oath as required by this commission. And I do hereby direct that as soon as you have taken the oath required by this commission and have entered upon the duties of your office, this commission shall supersede any previous commission of appointment of a governor of the province of the Punjab, given under my hand and seal at Islamabad this 11th day of January 2011, signed Asif Ali Zardari, President. I now request the Chief Justice, Lahore High Court, Lahore, to administer the oath of Governor Punjab to Sardar Muhammad Latif Khan Khosa.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
In the name of Allah,
In the name of Allah,
the most beneficent,
most beneficent,
the most merciful,
most merciful,
I,
Sardar Muhammad Latif Khan Khosa,
do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
that I will
bear true faith
and allegiance to Pakistan,
and allegiance to Pakistan,
that as the governor of the province of Punjab,
that as the governor of the province of Punjab,
I will discharge my duties
I will discharge my duties
and perform my functions honestly,
to
the best of my ability,
faithfully,
in accordance with the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan,
in accordance with the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan
and the law,
and
always in the interest of the sovereignty,
always in the interest of the sovereignty,
integrity, solidarity,
well-being,
and prosperity of Pakistan.
and prosperity of Pakistan.
That I will strive to preserve
The
Islamic ideology,
Islamic ideology,
which is the basis for the creation of Pakistan.
which is the basis for the creation of Pakistan.
That I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct and my official decisions. That I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan.
and defend the Islamic Republic of Pakistan,
The Constitution of Islamic Republic.
the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan.
That in all circumstances
That in all circumstances,
I will do right to all manner of people,
that I will do
right,
right to all manner of people,
according to law, without fear
or favor,
affection,
or
ill will. And that I will not directly or indirectly
communicate
or reveal to any person any matter
which
shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as governor of the province of Punjab, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as governor.
except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as the governor.
May Allah Almighty help
and
guide me.
Ameen.
पंजाब के गवर्नर सरदार लतीफ़ खोसा हलफ ले रहे थे। उन्होंने हलफ उठा लिया। चीफ जस्टिस लाहौर हाई कोर्ट जस्टिस एजाज चौधरी ने उनसे हलफ लिया और इस मौके पर वज़ीर आला पंजाब मियां शहबाज शरीफ सूबाई काबीना के हमरा वहां पर मौजूद थे। वक्त हुआ चाहता है प्रोग्राम में एक ब्रेक का, और ब्रेक के बाद हमारे प्रोग्राम का सिलसिला जारी रहेगा।